Okay, continuing on, we're going to take a look at Prezi. Now, Prezi, for those of us who use PowerPoints, Prezi is a great option. That is a much better way to maybe spice up some presentations. It very much is cyclical in nature and really adds motion to PowerPoints. This could be a whole PD activity in and of itself talking about Prezi. So we're going to watch a short video that describes what Prezi is all about.
You make presentations to share ideas, showcase work, or even to persuade your audience to do something. But what used to be a great opportunity has turned into a dreadful experience for you and your audience. The reason? Boring presentations. That's where Prezi comes in. In Prezi, you create and present your ideas on a large canvas like a whiteboard, instead of traditional slides. You can easily place ideas, images, and videos and arrange them in a natural flow to tell your story. When you're presenting, Prezi lets you zoom in to emphasize a detail or zoom out to see the big picture. Now the audience can see the whole story as well as the details, and they're more likely to remember your work, ideas, or be persuaded to do something. The best part? You can start a Prezi now for a presentation you have tomorrow. In just a few clicks, you can bring presentations back to life.
Once you learn how to use Prezi, it actually goes very quickly. This is the website for Prezi. One other neat part of Prezi is that it is very much based on Web 2.0, where you can collaborate and share. So you can actually get into Prezi after you've created an account and click Explore and look for a topic of something that you may be teaching in your class. This is a Prezi that was created on Romeo and Juliet by somebody else. And it gives you this, and you can take a look and you can share these different things, this Prezi that's already been created in your class. There's also times that within a Prezi, there's a button over here that would be the copy the Prezi, and you can actually copy it and then edit the content and use it yourself, and you can make it very specific to you. You can use the template that they've already created and use it for your own purposes. So very cool tool. Would very much encourage you to take a look at Prezi if you haven't seen that before. Twitter is the next thing we're going to take a look at. I love using Twitter. I'm a big fan of Twitter. Here's the web link for it. Twitter can be used to help enhance communication with students and parents. It's a great tool to communicate if you're an activity coordinator. Allows for real-time reminders and opportunities to share information. And the parents and students don't need a Twitter account to follow you. I know Mr. Marsh just started a Twitter account at PMS Raiders, and which is great. Also, from a personal level, this is a great way to set up what's called a PLN, a Professional Learning Network. And we can, again, that's a whole PD activity in and of itself. Here's an example of what a Twitter page looks like. This is one that I created for the Belding Band before I left, as a way to deliver information out to followers about rehearsal schedules being changed. And then also, there's a whole nother level of Twitter using hashtags, where you can go and people are actually talking about different subjects. For example, EdChat, pound EdChat, hashtag EdChat is a great one that you can go on and you can search that and you can see the stream of information. Even if you don't contribute until you figure out how it works, you can view what's been said on EdChat, and that alone gives you so much information that you can use and turn around and utilize in your classroom. Just absolutely love using those sort of things, because again, it's almost like professional development from Twitter. You're getting it from people that are in the field, people that are experiencing it. You can put questions out there and get responses right away. So we're going to end here with Twitter, and then we're going to continue on with tool number 5.